Hello, everyone. It's Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and Realty One Group. Just wanted to let everybody know this one takes me a little bit longer because it's all of these. This is Myrtle's Inlet. Well, I'm going to go by zip codes 29576 Garden City, Myrtle's Inlet, 29582 North Myrtle Beach, Pawleys Island, and Litchfield, 29585 Conway, both zip codes 2627. Loris 29569, Longs 68, and Little River 66. So I'm not going to go through these. I keep these on here though so you guys can. And what I want to tell you is we are about to go into another frenzy. So if you are a buyer, pay attention. And I just want to let everybody know right now, I am working with a lender that will guarantee up to 5 years after you purchase your home, and when you think the interest rate isn't going to go down anymore before it goes up, you can refinance absolutely free. All you have to do is call me. There's no points, no closing costs. Nobody else does this because they started out with doing refinancing when they were down 2.5. Now nobody's refinancing, so they got into the mortgage just so they could assist everybody for free. So it's great news. So please call me when you're interested, 843-222-7800, and let's get going here. So, nope, this is still not it. Sorry. Okay, here we go. All right, so I'm going to make this a little bigger. So this is Little River 66, and look at, we are down a little bit in Little River from January, 406,507 to 387,539. Average days on market, we're down. And then average selling price per square foot's about the same. Basically, months of supply. Same with active listings in Little River because they are building there. But look at this. This is what is scary. 67 pending sales in December, 191. That is crazy. And the interest rate, just so you guys know, I want to share this with you because I follow this so closely now because that's my job. But in January, interest rates started at 7.375. Of course, they fluctuated throughout. And then they ended in December at 6.75. So look at the difference. That is scary. So just think what's going to happen when the interest rates go lower again. It's going to be another frenzy like we had during COVID. Each time they drop, everybody's going to come out, and the lower they drop, it's going to take up all the inventory. Of course, sellers, your price is going to go up, and there won't be as much for buyers. So if you're interested in buyers and in buying a home now, call me and I'll give you the guy's name, and we can all work together. Okay, so that's that one. And it's happening in every single one. In Myrtle Beach, all the zip codes. Myrtle's Inlet in Garden City, 522-086, 538-443 was, so we're up. Yeah, we're down in days on market, which is, you wouldn't think so with the interest rates, but they're less than they were. About the same on price per square foot. We're up on months, 3.7 compared to 2.5. Active listings, 30 different ones. But here again, pending sales in January, 51, 100 in December. Closed sales, now this is crazy again, 38, 124. It is doubled the highest ever sold. I'm telling you, people. North Myrtle Beach, here's another one. January, average 593, 154. Right now, it's not the highest it's been, but it's almost 650, 860. Right now is your selling price in there. And okay, look at days on market, not taking as long as they were in January. The price per square foot is up a lot. It's dropped a little from where it was, but we're climbing back up there. 281 was the highest in August. Months of supply has been kind of consistent. Same with the active listings. But here again, look at this. People are buying. Pending sales, 48 compared to 110. The same with closed sales. 32 compared to 144, doubled, and actually more than doubled. Conway, 29526. 320, 637, up. 336, 775. Average days on market, not too big of a difference. Average price per square foot, Conway, you're making more money, so good time to sell your home. 146 compared to 132. Average, or the months of supply has been about the same. Average days, active listings, a few more right now. But here again, look at this in Conway. Pending sales 124, now 254. This is crazy, people. And you need to get the word out there, because if you're a buyer, you better buy now. And give me a call so I can give you that, because you're not going to have the chance when those interest rates go down. And closed sales 78 to 254. Unbelievable. I can't stop saying it because it's so freaky. It's freaking me out. 29527, 252, 851 to 274. Good sale. Look at that's a good price there. Price jump increase. Days on market, a little bit less, 108. We're down a little bit on the average price per square foot, but months of supply is about the same. But look at active listings about the same. The same thing. People are buying. 114 pending sales, 139 closed. Okay, long 6'8", 308,027 compared to 335,983. So that's up. Average days of market is basically the same. Square footage is basically the same too. It's going up again. Highest was 145. Month supply is about the same. Active listings, we have a lot because they're building out in longs like crazy. But look at this again. Pending sales have over, like not quad, but 3 times. 182 pending and 180 closed sales. Unbelievable. Okay, Loris, 6'9". 312, 829 to went down in Loris a little bit, 294, 884. Average days of market is down a little. Price per square foot is going back up at 142. It was 139 there. Months of supply is about the same. Listings are about the same. Active. This isn't too big. So Loris is the only one out of all the zip codes that doesn't have a big pending and closed sales. They're higher, but they're not like the other ones are crazy. And then Pawleys Island is, let's see, 715, 526 in January compared to 920, 974. We were down from November, but still up. Average days on market's been real similar. This is going back up again. So 224, 244 was, or 260 was the highest. Months of supply, 3.7, a little bit more. We have a little bit more active listings. You can see we have 100, so that's what changed the month of supply. Pawleys Island, 23 to 66 pending sales. Remember, they're only building like custom homes down there. There's very few builders like D.R. Horton, the national builders, and closed sales have doubled. So that is it. Get the word out there. If you are a buyer, give me a call. I would love to help you. And if you're a seller, just know that your house is going to be worth even more money shortly. Again, Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and Realty One Group. Thanks. Take care.